Before you join PromptEarn affiliate marketing, it is very important you watch this video till the very end so that you will know if this is actually a good affiliate marketing platform you can join or not. I am going to start by explaining what PromptEarn affiliate marketing is all about. So, what is PromptEarn affiliate marketing all about? PromptEarn affiliate marketing is one of the top 10 legit affiliate marketing sites in Nigeria. It is a digital marketplace where you can find high value and best-selling digital and physical products. There are 3 sets of people that make up the PromptEarn affiliate marketing. Now let's see the 3 people that make up this affiliate marketing. The first set of people is called the affiliates. The affiliates are experienced marketers who promote and sell products on PromptEarn. They earn a commission for each sale they make. The second set of people is called the vendors. The vendors are the product owners. They take care of the trainings when the affiliates bring in buyers. Now, the third set of people is called the buyers. These are the people who buy the products that the affiliates promote on PromptEarn platform. Now, how does PromptEarn work? On PromptEarn, you can either become a vendor or affiliate. Just like I have already told you, as a vendor, you own a product, and as an affiliate, you promote a product and earn commissions in return. With this simple explanation, you already know where you fit in. So, if you have a product that you want to sell, you can join PromptEarn as a vendor. Put your product on the platform so that affiliates will promote it for you. If your interest is to make money online from affiliate marketing in Nigeria, go ahead and register as an affiliate on the platform. Once you register, find products that aligns with your interest and start promoting it. Before I continue, I want to invite you to join my affiliate marketing WhatsApp group. You are going to find the link in the video description. Now let us see PromptEarn's sign-up process as a vendor and as an affiliate marketer. How to register on PromptEarn as a vendor. To sign up as a vendor on PromptEarn affiliate program, you will need to send them the details of your product via email for them to approve it. The exact email address to send your details is vendor@promptearn.com. The approval process usually takes 2 to 5 working days. If your product is approved, you will then join them as a vendor and you can then upload your product on PromptEarn marketplace. Now, PromptEarn affiliate registration. How to register on PromptEarn as an affiliate. To register as an affiliate on this affiliate network, you will be required to pay 5,000 naira every year. Once you have your registration fee ready, you can head over to their registration page and register as an affiliate. Now, PromptEarn registration fee. PromptEarn registration fee in Nigeria is 5,000 naira and $10 for other affiliates outside Nigeria, which you are required to renew every year. I have already talked about this. Now let's talk about the commission structure. There are different products with different prices. You can earn up to 75% commission for each sale on PromptEarn. Now let's talk about how to make money on PromptEarn affiliate marketing. As a product vendor, you make money whenever the affiliate makes sales. Since you own the product, PromptEarn will send your money once the customer receives his or her product. Then, as an affiliate, you earn a certain percentage of commission, which is specific to the particular product you are promoting. And that is exactly how to earn money on PromptEarn affiliate program. Even if you don't have a laptop, you can use only your phone to promote PromptEarn products. All you need to do is to learn how affiliate marketing works. Once you know the secret of affiliate marketing, you can use your phone to promote these products effectively and earn good commissions for yourself. For you to succeed in affiliate marketing in Nigeria, you need the best affiliate marketing training. If you don't learn this business and understand how it works, you will find it very difficult to make your first sale. I am telling you this based on my personal experience. So if you want to learn the basics of affiliate marketing, if you want to learn the secret on how to make your first sale in affiliate marketing, check out the first link in the video description. Now, how to withdraw from PromptEarn affiliate marketing. PromptEarn pay every Sunday. You can request your earnings on Saturday and you will receive your payment on Sunday. To withdraw your earnings, follow these steps. Step 1. Log in to your PromptEarn dashboard. Step 2. Go to the withdrawal section. Step 3. Place your withdrawal on Saturday Then get your commission paid into your bank account on Sunday. Is PromptEarn legit in Nigeria? Yes, it is a legit affiliate marketing platform to make money online in Nigeria. People are cashing out massively from this affiliate network. In conclusion, PromptEarn is one of the best affiliate marketing in Nigeria that pays. If you can afford 5,000 naira, you can go and register on the platform. Once you register, pick a product, get your affiliate link, and start promoting. Once you make a sale, you will earn a commission. But remember, I highly encourage and recommend that you first go for a good affiliate marketing training to avoid years of trial and error. Now, I want you to tell me the difficulties you are facing in affiliate marketing business in Nigeria, and I will help you to solve it. Make use of the comment section. If you enjoyed watching this video, go ahead and like this video. Click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also don't forget to turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube. Now, if you want to get the top 10 legit affiliate marketing sites in Nigeria that pays, watch this video on the screen right now. This video is going to show you the top 10 legit affiliate marketing sites in Nigeria that pays. See you there.